Hello everyone, and welcome to a very special video on my channel, iASMR. If you are a frequent visitor here, or if you've recently subscribed to help our community reach over 2,000 subscribers, you might have wondered, who is the person behind these satisfying creations? Well, that is me. Today, I want to formally introduce myself as the creator of this channel and take you on an exclusive journey behind the screen. I want to show you exactly how each video is made, from a blank page to the final product, and share the deeper purpose behind what I create for you every single day. Every video you watch on this channel is a meticulous process that requires hours of dedication. It never starts with a computer. It always starts with an idea. My creative workflow always begins with step 1, concept and ideation. I dive deep into researching global cultures, iconic traditional dishes, and national symbols. I ask myself what food would represent a country perfectly and trigger the most intense visual satisfaction. Once the concept is locked, we move to step 2, prompt engineering. This is where the magic begins. Writing a prompt for AI is not just typing words. It is an art form. I have to carefully structure highly descriptive keywords to define the lighting, the textures, the environment, and most importantly, the exact colors and details of each country's flag to guide the AI perfectly. After the prompts are ready, we enter step 3, advanced AI generation. I take those precise blueprints and feed them into advanced AI tools, specifically using the powerful feature called Flow to structure the foundational layouts. Then, I harness the capabilities of VO3 to render these clips into breathtaking, ultra-high-definition video assets. Watching the AI transform text into realistic steaming food is always incredible. But raw clips are not enough. Next is step 4, editing and assembly in CapCut. I import all the generated segments into CapCut, where the real storytelling happens. Frame by frame, I trim, slice, and stitch the videos together, organizing them by country flags. Finally, the most critical element, step 5, AIASMR sound design. In CapCut, I layer hyperrealistic Foley sound effects underneath. I make sure every crunch, every bite, and every chew matches the video precisely to make you feel like you are right there, tasting the food. So, what is the ultimate goal of all this hard work? The mission of iASMR is to create an educational, yet highly entertaining sanctuary for our viewers. It is designed to be a learn while you play experience. By engaging with our interactive country selection format, audiences of all generations can seamlessly memorize international flags and discover global cuisines without any boredom. At the same time, we meticulously engineer these crisp, satisfying AIASMR sounds to trigger your appetite, making you crave these delicious snacks and giving you a perfect place to unwind and de-stress after a long, exhausting day. Thank you so much for being an essential part of my journey. Your endless support, likes, and comments are what drive my passion every day. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments, what country's food should we create next?